Yeah, I can make you later for race.
Gone, key of G. We're
Vamp,
gonna go
we're
around. We're
vamping.
gonna
Here we
keep
go.
going around until she tells me to start.
What
Okay.
are we vamping?
One, two, one, two. She said if I ever deceived her, I'd be gone before I could count ten. I guess that I did not believe her. Well, just look at the trouble I'm in. Now she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. Gary, well, I lost every right to be happy when I lost the good love I found. She swore that she'd leave and she left me before my first tear hit the ground. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. Well, if I only knew where to find her, I would crawl there on my hands and knees. Each tick of the clock's a reminder she's 1 second farther from me. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. Yeah, she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. Yeah, the more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track.
Hey, we're back. We're up here at Carmine's Country Corner, downtown Locker Center, coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. And you know what Gary always says about Bob Smith?
He'd give him away, but his wife
White
won't
won't
let him.
let him. I love that a lot.
He got in so much trouble for giving away all those cars.
He did. He did. Well, I'll tell you, Mike Smith is a really good guy, and his son Pete, great, knew the kids when they were small, and everybody's grown up now. Hey, we had a big week this week. Something huge happened on Tuesday night, and I'm not going to get political. I don't believe in doing that on the show. But I'll just say, well, no, I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to talk about it for everybody that we all get along and move forward, and that's as far as I'm going to go. So anyway, you know, how can you not mention the election? I mean, that's a pretty big thing in this country, right? So anyway, yeah, so we got that out of the way, thank God. And then what else? Something funny at Osprey Farm happened last night.
What happened, Carmen?
Well, this fellow I work with, Eric Corset, good player and everything. We're sitting down talking about guitars and B-benders and all that kind of stuff. And he says to me, yeah, Pete Anderson used a B-bender with all the Dwight Yoakam stuff that he did. And I said, I don't think so. I said, I don't think Pete even has a B-bender. He says, oh no, I've heard from reliable sources that he did. And I said, well, I kind of know Pete pretty good, you know. I said, so let's call him and find out. And he was shocked that I could just call Pete Anderson. I mean, we can all, you know, play with the guy. So I called Pete and leave a message. I said, I got to.
What else happened? Didn't something happen before you called Pete? I mean, weren't you going to talk about like a little wager?
Oh, yeah. I was just going to mention that. Thank you, Paul. Yeah, that is part of the story. I told Eric, I said, I'll bet you $10,000 he doesn't even own a B-bender, let alone play one. He said, okay, of course, you know, we're kidding, and all in good fun. Well, I called Pete. Now we're getting on stage. We've got like a minute to go, and the phone rings, and it's Pete. And I said, Pete. First thing out of Pete's mouth was, because I had left Pete a message. I said, Pete, I got a $10,000 bet that you don't own a B-bender. He gets on the phone, first thing out of his mouth, he says, go get your money. Anyway, it was all in good fun. Eric couldn't believe that Pete would call me back that fast. And here we are on stage at Knott's Berry Farm clowning around about $10,000 B-bender bets. So that was kind of fun. Anyway, Gary.
Pete owes me $10,000.
I know. Well, he probably owes me too. I don't know. No, Pete's a great guy. So go ahead and do something.
Do something? Okay. You're all under arrest. Okay, I rewrote this song, but I'm going to play the original version now that we have Bob with us.
Which one?
Just Call Me Lonesome.
Okay. Yeah. There we go. 1, 2, 1.
Just call me lonesome, heartbroken and some. I ain't got no one since you've been gone. You call me baby, I got a new name. Don't need my old one, I'm lonesome from now on. You used to call me one and only. Now you only call me someone you won't need. You were my angel until some stranger broke my heart, took your love, he broke me. Just call me lonesome, heartbroken and some. I ain't got no one since you've been gone. You call me David, I got a new name. Don't need my old one, I'm lonesome now.
Just call us lonesome because if you don't watch the show, we get lonesome, right, Bob?
Yes.
You know, we need people to watch. They've been watching. We're getting a lot of good hits, and so we thank all you people. Bob,
Yes.
I want to thank you for coming up.
Whenever I have a chance, I like to
I
be
know
here.
you do.
Yes.
We love having you. Thank God. Okay, so
I love making music.
well, I do too. So do something for us.
Okay. Let's do a Hank Williams song. Hey, good looking.
You know, a lot of people don't know this, but they watch Carmine's Corner when nobody's looking at night, late at night.
Okay.
What key in?
In key of C. So 2 to 5. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Say hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Hey, sweet baby, don't you think maybe we could find us a brand new recipe? I got a hot rod Ford and a $2 bill. I know a spot right over the hill. There's soda pop and the dancing's free. So if you wanna have fun, come along with me. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? I'm free and ready, so we can go steady. How's about keeping steady company? No more looking, I know I've been tooken. How's about spending all your time with me? I'm gonna throw my date book over the fence. Buy me one for 5 or 10 cents. Keep it till it's covered with age. I'm writing your name down in every page. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up? How's about cooking something up? How's about cooking something up with me? There you go. There he is.
Yes, sir. Right behind you there, Bob. Hank Williams. Man, what a great guy.
With chronic back problems.
So we're here at Bob Smith Toyota every Sunday, 6 to 7. We've been doing this over 4.5 years. May's going to be our 5th year anniversary. Paul, God.
Hang it in.
Well, I don't know what's going on, but we're having a good time. I know that. And I got people I want to say hi to. There's a young lady from Nashville, Crossville, Tennessee, actually. I think she lives in Crossville. I could be wrong, but it's right outside of Nashville. And her name is Kim. And we got to play some guitar together back when I was back there in August. And after the show, I look at all the little comments of people, you know, and I'd love to be able to, folks, I'd love to be able to, when you say something nice, you know, be able to answer you right away, but I just can't do it because I'm up here trying to do the show. But Kim, I want to thank you especially because you're kind of a new friend to Carmine's Country Corner. And every week I've noticed, the last few weeks since August, She's always got something nice to say. So, and keep practicing. You're playing good. She was sitting right next to me,
Cool.
and we had more fun.
All right.
Yep. So, Kim, we love you, and I'm going to see you again probably in August of next year when Sue and I make our little trip to come see Johnny. I'm sure we'll run into you and say hello. Okay, Paul,
Carmen,
do another song. How's the family?
how's your family?
My family's big. Well, not as big as they were, but still big. Anyway, how's all the kids and everybody?
Everybody's good. Today is Ollie's 6th birthday.
Is it actually today?
Today, Ollie is
Oh,
6 years old.
happy birthday, Ollie. We love you.
So,
Oh,
yeah.
that is wonderful.
We had a little party in the park. It was big fun.
Oh,
Yeah.
man. I wish I'd gotten a call, damn it, but it's okay. Anyway, and all the other girls and the boys. And
Everybody's doing fine.
did your wife get home from Texas
She
from
did.
seeing Scott?
Yeah, she's home. Yeah.
Good,
She saw Scott. Yeah.
good. Great people. All right, what do we got?
Key of E. In the twilight glow, I see her. Blue eyes crying in the rain. When we kissed goodbye and parted, I knew we'd never meet again. Love is like a dying ember. Only memories remain. Through the ages, I'll remember. Blue eyes crying in the rain. Now my hair has turned to silver. All my life I've loved in vain. I can see her star in heaven. Blue eyes crying in the rain. Someday
91 now, Willie Nelson?
Yeah, Willie's 91.
And I think he's still gigging.
I think so.
I think so. Like he shows up to, God, I love that guy.
Yeah.
I remember him
Um,
back in the 60s. Remember when he had he had his own TV show?
Yeah.
Do you remember that at all? And he used to wear suits with the real skinny neckties that
Oh, I
were
saw it.
famous in the 60s.
I saw it later on the Ernest Tubb. Ernest Tubb had a TV show.
Uh-huh.
And he used to show the Willie Nelson stuff.
Yeah, and he had real short hair. His hair
Oh, yeah.
was real
Oh, yeah.
cut short. Yeah, Willie's been around forever, man. Great songwriter. You know the song Crazy?
Yep.
Do you know what the original title was going to be? Does anybody know that story?
Is this a joke?
No, it's just a true story. Somebody told him, no, you got to change the name to that song because it's, honest to God, stupid. Honest to God, I know. I heard that I've heard that from many people that knew. You know, they said no. In fact, I saw it on a thing on TV. They had it all over. And he said when he first wrote it, he wrote down stupid, and they changed it to crazy. Now that's what. If anybody knows more than that, let me know about it because that was the last thing I heard. Isn't that crazy? Crazy? I love it. I love the way I go right into things. Okay, what do we got?
I'm gonna do a song called Stupid.
Yeah.
Okay, this is for Christmas. I get to play this only at this time of year. I don't know why they didn't like it in the summer. All right, it goes like this. A C goes to 2 to the 5. Drums come in on the second part of the intro. Paul comes in at the top. 1, 2. By now in New York City, there's snow on the ground, and out in California, sunshine falling down, and maybe out in Memphis, Graceland's all in line, and in Atlanta, Georgia, there's peace on earth tonight. Christmas in Dixie, snowing in the pine. Merry Christmas from Dixie and everyone tonight. It's windy in Chicago. Kids are out of school. It's magic in Motown. Cities on the move. In Jackson, Mississippi. Southern Carolina. And everywhere between us. It's a peaceful Christmas time. Christmas in Dixie. It's snowing in the pine. Merry Christmas from Dixie and everyone tonight. Christmas in Dixie. It's snowing in the pine. Merry Christmas from Dixie. Have a peaceful Christmas.
Nice song. Next time I'm going to play a solo on it, just so you know. Tell me ahead of time. Okay, there. So now, we're up here at Bob Smith's Toyota, and I think it's Paul's chance to do another one here, turn. And then maybe I'm gonna do one just for the fun of it.
Did anybody mention that the Dodgers won the World Series?
That was the other big news I was gonna talk about.
Wow, wasn't that wonderful?
That was fantastic.
My mom was pleased as punch.
Yeah, you know
Yes.
what? My mom was a Dodger fan. My brother was a Yankee fan. And there was fire in the house when those two played.
Well, they played good this year. They deserve it.
Yeah. I used to be a Yankee fan when I lived back east, but you gotta swear to the allegiance of the Dodgers.
There you go.
What do we got?
This is a Win Stewart song called Big Big Love.
See you, see y'all. One, two, oh, one.
Can't you tell my love's a growing? Can't you feel it? Ain't it showing? Girl, you must be knowing I got a big, big love. Not the kind to be concealing, just the kind to be revealing. It's not a little bitty feeling. I got a big, big love. I think it's time we done some walking. Think it's time we done some talking. Well, there's a great big moon above. We got a big, big love. This is not infatuation. It's a true love sensation. Not my imagination. I got a big, big love for you, yeah. Can't you tell my love's a growing? Can't you feel it? Ain't it showing? Girl, you must be knowing I got a big, big love. Not the kind to be concealed, just the kind to be revealed. Not a little bitty feeling. I got a big, big love. I think it's time we done some walking. Think it's time we done some talking. Yeah, there's a great big moon above. We got a big, big love. This is not infatuation. It's a true love sensation. Not my imagination. I got a big, big love for you. I think it's time we done some walking. Think it's time we done some talking. Well, there's a great big moon above. We got a big, big love. This is not infatuation. It's a true love sensation. Not my imagination. I got a big, big love for you, everybody.
You haven't done that song in a while. You used to do that 4 years ago. He first started doing the show. He did that song quite often, and he quit doing it. So, geez.
Started my
Okay, let me sing one real quick. Just
I didn't know that I knew it.
this old smoke-filled bar, something I'm not used to. I just left my home to keep you satisfied. Stop by, see me anytime you want to. And you can always find me here to closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. And stop by and see me anytime you want to. And you can always find me here to closing time. I got everything I'll need to have a heartache. And I've got everything I'll need to lose my mind. And the atmosphere in here's just right for heartache. Thanks to you, I'm always here to closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by and see me anytime you want to. 'Cause you'll always find me here to closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by, see me anytime you want to. And you'll always find me here to closing time. Yeah, you'll always find me here to closing time. Thanks for helping me out there, Bob. On the vocals, thank you. Good job. All right, what do you got, Paul? Bob, I think it's
I'll
your
say one,
turn.
yeah. Let's do a rock number
I love it.
that Chuck Berry came up with called Sweet Little 16. Back in the old days, they thought Maybelline, they before Maybelline was made, it was like a copy of Ida Red, and they thought he was too country, so they had to blues it up a little bit. You know, that's according to Willie Dixon. You know, so here's one of those early numbers. Key of D. So we're gonna start on the A chord. Okay. They're really rocking in Boston, Pittsburgh, PA, deep in the heart of Texas, and round the Fresno Bay, all over St. Louis, way down to New Orleans. All the cats wanna dance with sweet little 16. Sweet little 16. She's just got to have about 500,000 framed autographs. We want to fill with pictures. She gets them one by one. She gets so excited. I watch her look at her run, boys. Oh, mommy, mommy, please may I go? It's such a sight to see. Somebody steal the show. Oh, daddy, daddy, I beg you, whisper to mommy, it's all right with you. Yeah, but they be walking on Bandstand, Philadelphia, PA, deep in the heart of Texas, and round the Fresco Bay, all over St. Louis, way down to New Orleans. All the cats wanna dance with sweet little 16. Oh, yeah. Here comes Carmine. Sweet little 16. She's got the grown-up blues, tight dresses and lipstick. She's sporting high heel shoes. Oh, but by tomorrow morning, she'll have to change her trend and be sweet 16 and back in class again. They'll be walking in Boston, Pittsburgh, PA. Deep in the heart of Texas, round the Fresco Bay, way out in St. Louis, way out in New Orleans. All them cats wanna dance with sweet little 16. Yeah, all the cats wanna dance with sweet little 16. All right.
Kind of fun.
Kinda. Are you kidding?
Okay. Kim, how you doing back there? I see you running back and forth between the computer and the camera. She's doing good camera work these days. She's doing some good stuff. Paul, hit us. We got about 15 to 18 minutes left. We're going to do another few songs. I want to thank you for watching. We're all getting ready for Thanksgiving and then Christmas. And boy, this year's flying by. Man. But we're having a good time. Okay.
Okay, so 2 beats. G.
This is a song called Flowers While I'm Living, an instructive song.
vamp in G. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
In this world today where we are living, some folks say the worst of us they can. But when we are dead and in our casket, they always slip some lilies in our hand. Well, won't you give me my flowers while I'm living? And let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. It's in this world where we need our flowers, a kind word to help us get along. If you can give me flowers while I'm living, please don't send them when I'm gone. Won't you give me my flowers while I'm living, and let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. Yeah, won't you give me my flowers while I'm living, and let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. No, don't you try and slip some lilies in my hand.
Oh, Merle.
Mighty fine.
Oh, blue and broken-hearted me, holding to memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, blue and broken hearted me. But I've got them. And I never felt so to be. It's blue and broken hearted me. And blue and broken hearted me, holding to memory. Since you've been gone, I don't care what I be. It's blue and broken hearted. I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted me. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted. Nice stuff at the end there, Bob. I love it. Did you guys hear Bob get into it at the end when he was playing that cool stuff? I love it. Great stuff. What do we got here? Oh, we only got one more song. Paul, take us home. Hey, we love you guys. See you next Sunday, 6 to 7. I want to thank Dr. Kathy for coming up, and Dr. Teresa, and Nellie, and Dottie. Dottie's the dog. And, of course, my grandson, Brandon. You could always hear him in the background kind of playing with his computer and doing whatever he does. We love him. And Kim, thank you. She ran the whole stuff tonight. Dan Hugot wasn't planning on playing drums. He had come here all excited about doing some camera work and setting everything up for the YouTube show, you know, the stereo mix. And Palmer ducked out, and then we thought we had Chris, what's his last name? Ross, I said Cross. Chris Ross, and he's a great drummer. I love when he comes up. Sucker was busy. Couldn't get him, so Dan said, okay, I'll back you. So Dan, I want to thank you especially for always being there for me. Thank you. Dan's a good friend. We called everybody. And we got Dan Hugot. No. Okay, good night, folks. What do you got, Paul?
We should get Chris up here sometime, though. That'd be fun. Chris Ross.
He's been here once or twice. He plays great. Very good drummer. All right, we got 8 minutes. Is that way in my head?
Kind of a shuffle, rocking shuffle thing. 1, 2, A. 1, 2, 3.
The lonesome side of the train going by makes me want to stop and cry. I recall the day it took you away. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. Some sound of the train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. Get the still of the night in the pale moonlight. The wind, it moans and cries. These lovesick blues I just can't lose. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. Some sign of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. makes me want to stop and cry.